Hello friends, welcome to Laravel 13 series in which we are creating the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this video, we are going to download the complete source code that we have done from part 1 to 50. Throughout these 50 parts, we have built the Filament Admin Panel, e-commerce functionality, AI powered features and customer side development up to the cart page. In these 50 parts, these are the features that we have done, like Laravel 13 e-commerce project up till cart page, complete Filament Admin Panel, products management, categories management, brands management, attributes and attributes values, product variants, product images, product pricing and stock management, product filtering, coupons and discount management, banners management, customer side product listing, product detail page, product variants and site selection, shopping cart, cart item management, quantity and stock handling, Laravel validation and database relationships, response e-commerce interface, SEO settings, and these are the AI features that we have done. AI product content generation, AI product descriptions, AI short descriptions, AI SEO meta title generation, SEO meta description, AI SEO keywords, open AI API integration. These are not complete AI features that we have done. And in detail, if you will see that we have done the more AI features. I'm going to show you that what AI features that we have done. See, overview of AI powered e-commerce features. In part 39, I have explained all the EA features that we are going to do, and the EA features we have covered in 11 parts. From part 39 to part 50, we have done the EA features. Okay, and you can see open AI integration, AI product description generator, AI SEO meta title generator, AI SEO meta description, AI SEO keywords generator, AI product recommendation engine, AI shopping assistant, a natural language product search. This is very important. This also we have done. Okay, so many other like AI product QA assistant, this one also we have done. So there are many see other features also we have done in these 50 parts. We have done like product generative FAQ and also product specification. Here this one you can see the AI product specification. This one also recently we have done in the last part, and also we have done the product highlights key features from AI. Okay, so much more things we have done in this part 50, and this is the e-commerce website that you will get. Okay, so you can upload your own images. It will look like this, and here you can see the detail page as well. So this is the detail page. Okay, for detail page, see here, this is the detail page that you will get. Okay, so this is the project, the complete project that you will get. Okay, so uh so all these features, and for getting this project, for downloading this Laravel 13 e-commerce project from part 1 to part 50, in this you are just required to join as a member, and once you will join as a member you will get the complete Laravel 13 e-commerce source code from part 1 to 50, all AI features developed in this series, open AI API key free for testing. Okay, so I'm going to provide you the open AI API key once you will join as a member. Okay, and premium e-commerce HTML template for Laravel 13 series, so I'm going to provide you the premium e-commerce HTML template as well. So you will get the 5,000 plus 5,000 rupees plus worth of useful resources, and you will also get the other Laravel preps and source code. So there are too many things that you will get once you will join as a member. Okay, for joining as a member, just you require to open this website, sidemakers.in website. I have already added the source code in my website. I'm going to show you. This is the website that you are required to open, and you can see here this one, Laravel 13 AI powered e-commerce website part 1 to 50. Just you are required to click on this one, and you can see its actual cost is around 4,000, and you will get to 2,000. But I will give you the more discount. I will give you the 70-80% more discount. Okay, and you will get once you will join as a member. Okay, once you will join as a starter stack developer, you will get the Laravel 13 series source code. Along with that, you will also get the Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce website source code. Along with that, you will get the all templates. You will get the 4 or 5 e-commerce premium template that you will choose for your e-commerce website. Okay, and also along with that, you will get so many Laravel resources that will really help you. Okay, so you can join as a starter stack developer and will get the source code of all these websites, including the Laravel 13 source code website as well, in Laravel 13 AI powered e-commerce website source code as well. Okay, so for a joining as a member, there are many ways that you can able to join. You can join with via YouTube, you can join via PayPal. Okay, so once you will join as a member, you will get all these source code. Okay, so the same I have mentioned here. Okay, so once you will join as a member, you will get the complete Laravel 13 e-commerce project, complete Filament Admin Panel, AI power e-commerce features, customer side e-commerce up to cart page, open AI integration, database, all source code from part 1 to 50. Okay, then you can able to continue further. From part 51 we will complete the normal e-commerce process we have done up till cart page. Okay, and after that we will continue working on this series from part 51. Okay, so you can also subscribe the YouTube channel, Stack Developer YouTube channel. For all the further updates you would just require to open the Stack Developers YouTube channel, and you can simply subscribe the channel. You can also join from here as well. Okay, so you can subscribe as well as join the channel. Thank you so much for watching.